Hello, teachers. I'm sorry I'm not with you in person for Friday's class, so I thought we would use some educational technology to do similar things. So each of you will have access to a Jamboard, and a Jamboard is a Google app, which is a collaborative application. And so there'll be 4 of you assigned to each Jamboard, and your Jamboard won't be blank like this, and you'll be adding things to it. But I did want to provide you with a short video about how to use the Jamboard. So if you open your Jamboard, and you would like to start to collaborate, all of you will see each other's work in real time. So over here on the far left, we have a pen, and the pen allows you to do writing. We, of course, have an eraser, so you can erase if you happen to make a mistake, so you can clear that all up if you would like. We have a pointer so that you can point to things while you're talking about them. I love the sticky note feature. So I can add anything I would like in my sticky note. I can have different colors. In fact, maybe each one of you will want to pick a color so that you know whose sticky note is whose, but you don't have to. When you hit save, it places the sticky note on the Jamboard. You can move it by dragging, you can twist it, you can delete it or duplicate it or edit it by clicking on the upper right-hand corner. You can stretch it, shrink it, very similar to pictures, so that you can change the sizes. So it's a great collaboration tool because, as you can see, when I add this second one, I can move them around to stack things and group them or do collaboration in lots of ways. Another thing that you can do is you can upload a picture from your laptop. So if you wanted to add something to spice up a Jamboard, you can simply add a picture to it. Sometimes it is handy to insert a shape. So we have circles, and we can also insert rectangles. So if you click on the arrow going over, you can see the different shapes that you can add. If you would like to add color to it, you can click on it, click on the paint bucket, and the color that you would like. So another way that you can arrange things to make it look nice. Another option here is text. So if I click on the box on the lower left, you can see that it has the capital T. It allows me to insert text. So sometimes the pen becomes cumbersome. You can insert something along those natures very cleanly. Next, if we are talking and you want to draw attention to it, you can click on the very last thing on the left, which is the laser, and it keeps your pointer going, but it also then erases it so it's not clearing, junking up everything. You can set the background to be graph paper, which of course I would love, or actually the one I like better is the darker framed graph paper. So that becomes very handy at times as teachers. You may clear the frame completely by pressing this button, and it's going to wipe everything off. But what you are going to use for your assignment rather than clearing anything is the button right here in the center upper right. That will take you to a new blank slide. So as you have your assignment and you're working on it, you will progress through the slides by clicking on this arrow and then go back. This will save like any other Google document, and I'll be able to get into this document and see your group's work as well. So at this time, go look in your Google Drive for a shared Jamboard, which I will also be presenting to you in a email. So have a great day. I will expect you to be in your Jamboards working during normal class time, and we will make sure to clear up any questions come Tuesday the 16th. Now, I would like you working on both investigations 2 and 3 prior to then, but I will have little introductions within your Jamboard. Have a great weekend. Stay safe, stay warm.